People are asking when your investment policy has failed, industries are not coming to utilize the benefit of investment policy. What wonders the startup policy can do? Only the person who fries veggies or potatoes on the footpath can claim that he has started something. Because startup policy is not simple. Modi government may say that they have strengthened the facilities to the people. But in fact, startup policy is one of the most complicated policy because institutions which are involved for the purpose of startup policy are banks, financial institutions. Has the state government entered into any MOU with the financial institution and banks? And whether cooperative banks are going to be roped in for the purpose of starting startups. Whether government has acquired 20,000 square feet of land which is required for startup, or whether at least they have identified land for the purpose of startup policy. Has any preliminary assessment been made when the incubator centers have been opened? And secondly, most important thing, when you don't have proper websites in the state, no department has got a website which is worth naming, what sort of startup you have to start?